Hello there, this is Matt from Rio Car Sales based in Cwmtillery, South Wales, NP131LZ. And this morning's new arrival is this stunning 2016 Audi A1 SE. It's upgraded with all of the S-Line wheels, looks identical to an S-Line. And there's only 13,000 miles on the clock. Yep, 13,000 miles. And it comes with plenty of service history as well. Obviously with that, it's not done much mileage at all. And it is finished in probably Audi's best ever colour, Nardo Grey. And against those gloss black S-Line wheels, and everything else glossed out, it looks absolutely stunning. Got the gloss black mirrors, got the gloss black roof and the rear spoiler, and it is stunning. Really do love Nardo Grey, big fan. So it's the 1 litre petrol, so it is 0 road tax, ULEZ compliant, over 60 miles per gallon. Ideal first time car, or those that are just looking for something cheaper to run. So we got the Audi steering wheel, 13,097 miles. We have the part leather interior with all the S-Line embossed in there, and all in good condition with no rips or tears or sagging. So we have the pop-up display, and that is controlled through your panel here. You've got the the climate control with air conditioning. And if we go to the back, again the back is pretty much the same story. Excellent condition, part leather interior, no rips or tears in there. So we've got this up for $10,995. The Auto Trader recommended retail price is $11,495. So we've gone quite a bit cheaper than that. Finance is available on this with payments starting from around about £220 a month with 0 deposit. And part exchange is also welcome. And it will also come with a comprehensive warranty with extendable options available. We're open 7 days a week, and you can view all stock on our website, riocarsales.com. Thanks for watching.